How to fix NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay not working. So if the NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay isn't working, the most effective fixes are first to run GeForce Experience as an administrator. So go ahead and click on GeForce Experience. For example, this is the GeForce Experience, and then select Run as Administrator from here. So this ensures overlay permissions aren't blocked. Another thing you can do is to go ahead and update or reinstall NVIDIA drivers. So go ahead and click on Min X on your keyboard and then select Device Manager from here. And then on the Device Manager, go ahead and head over into the display adapters and then select NVIDIA GeForce, right click on it and click on Update Driver. So you can also download the latest drivers from the NVIDIA's official site. If issue persists, uninstall drivers with DDU and reinstall fresh. And then another thing you can do is to go ahead and reinstall GeForce Experience. So uninstall GeForce Experience via settings. So you can actually uninstall it on your settings. So click on Win I on your keyboard and then on settings, go ahead and head over into the app section. And then from here, go ahead and search for GeForce Experience. Download the latest version from NVIDIA's site and reinstall and restart your PC. And that is how you can basically fix NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay not working.